summer, it's very hot. You can go to the beach and swim. It's autumn, it's raining today. Let's go back to school. I want to learn and play. It's winter, it's snowing and it's cold. Let's make a snowman. My hands are very cold. It's spring, it's sunny. Let's go out. Let's go to the park. There are flowers all around. It's summer. It's very hot today. Let's go to the beach. I want to swim and play.
There are 4 seasons in a year.
Autumn, winter, spring, summer. In the summer, it's hot and sunny. In the winter, it's cold and it snows. In the summer, people go to the beach. In the spring, people go to the park.
In the winter, I make a snowman.
In the summer, I go swimming. There are 4 seasons in the year. Autumn, winter, spring, summer. My favorite season is winter because I like snow. My favorite season is summer because I like the beach.
Hello, my name is Ghali. Summer is my favorite season. In my favorite season, people go swimming because the weather is hot.
Hello, my name is Adam. Winter is my favorite season because I like the snow.
Hello, my name is Haytham. My favorite season is summer because I like swimming.
Hello, Elias. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Hello, Nora. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I like swimming.
My favorite season is spring because I like the flowers. Hello, Nora. What's your favorite season?
Hello, my favorite season is winter.
Hello, Lina. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter. And you?
My favorite season is autumn.
My favorite season is autumn. My favorite season is winter.
My favorite season is spring.
My favorite season is summer.
My favorite season is autumn.
My favorite season is winter.
My favorite season is spring.
My favorite season is summer.
Hello, Riyadh. Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
In my favorite season, it's very hot. What is it?
It's summer.